Good afternoon and welcome back. Apologies about the flashing lights. Just in the garage with the LEDs, they seem to do it. But it's been a while and I'm finally back into one of my own projects and I am rapt about it. I've got a car back from the paint shop. My S14 here, it's hit the bay done. Looking brilliant now in a matching red to suit the body rather than, it's kind of like this colour before. It's like this weird maroni pastel and it was terrible. But it means one thing, I got a deadline for myself. I've given myself a week, so it's a week to get the motor back in. Get it back in, not only back in, but back in and running. Kind of dressed the motor up, she's looking pretty good. Manifolds on there, Tonka manifold, Pulsar, G25, little Turbo Smart wastegate, Raceworks lines everywhere. They're still loose on the compressor housing. Oh, and the turbos I'm going to have to pull the compressor housing off to weld an elbow on. Everything else is there. Missing a power steering belt, actually forgot about that. 750cc injectors I think they are, or 720s, one or the other. And drive-by-wire. And that means I'm going Haltech. So not only have I got to get it in there, I've got to build an engine harness, I've got to build intercooler pipes, I've got to build a downpipe, so a bit of fab. And put a bit of a bass tune in there. So I'm giving myself a week for that. So every night after work, finish wiring up people's cars and then jump into my own. Tonight, get this clutch back on the engine, get the gearbox under there, actually rebuild a gearbox, well rebuilt, put a new reverse gear in the gearbox, so that should be good, then get it back in. I don't even remember what's inside this car. I've ordered a couple, a little bit of trinkets, but yeah, don't remember how complete it is. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll push it back outside a little bit soon, all the headlights and stuff in the back. I hope I'm not missing too much. Be nice to see all the guards and stuff back on it. It's been a while, even just to give it a wash. I don't know if I've ever washed this car. Oh, and I've got T7Rs on it now. Bought a set of wheels off one of the boys, suit it way more. The rear tyre size is way too big, but I'll change that round, I've got some for it. So it's gonna look like a nice car sooner or later. Just need some new coilovers. Could piss off the max heating rods tops. But for now, let's get this engine ready. Not bad at all. First step's done. The easiest bit of the job. Clutch is on, all torqued up. Wow, use the old arm click clacker there. The rear plate that doesn't actually have any dowels. Not ideal. Don't have any dowels. Not going to get any dowels. It's going on without dowels. But yeah, first bit's done. Just need to grab the engine crane. Remember that should be loose as well. Take the cover off. Chuck this over. And get the box out, put it on, then we can get it back in. Surely it's just that easy. Chuck the car up on stands, job done. How good does this RB look, by the way? This is for one of the boys. Hopefully he's going to have a car for that to go in soon. But damn, it looks good. Drive-by-wire, just what you want on an RB. Beautiful lines I just finished up. But yeah. And everything else is done, bit of PRP trigger kit, dash 16 for the water, Franklin Engineering alternator pulley, the sump. I wish I could show you guys what I had to do in the sump. I had to build a custom pickup to suit that sump. It was an absolute bastard, took me a couple of hours, took me a few tries too, but I got it. It's coming on fast now, car's up on stands, I've lost all my natural light. Rocket covers off, cranes attached, box is out. The magic box of fryer bearings is out. So one I've got here, probably can't hear on camera, but you can feel it. She's notchy as all hell. So, got another one. It's a little bit shorter. I reckon that one was probably too long. Gotta put it in, not gonna measure. Just gonna go from gut feel where the fork sits and just hope for the best that I've got the right one. But I'll get the box on. Hopefully I've got all the gearbox bolts. The starter is a bastard. It's been drilled out to suit the 25 box adapter, so I'm going to have to run through bolts and some nuts. I mean, I have done worse. I'll make it work. But let's get this bloody throw-out bearing on, put the gearbox on, probably pull the gearbox out, change the throw-out bearing, but this bearing feels good, it's just the right height. Two bolts on, enough to pull the gearbox in. I don't know what box I'm using, I'm just grabbing them, working it out. And the throw-out bearing's wrong. See how it's pushed right to the front? Yep, she's wrong, means it's too long. Pull it off, I need a shorter one. I should have measured this. Let's try take two. Still a bit of a fail if I'm going to be honest. It's a little bit too far forward. I want to get that more central. So it looks like I'm trying another bearing. Hope I got one shorter, otherwise this is the best option. Oh wow. I'm sweating my ass off on a cold night already. I just want to get this in. That's it. Bolt the engine in is all I want to do tonight. It's not bad, we're actually in the center now. That's, well, close enough. Just pulled this bloody boot out. I think I need to cut the rubber off the back, she's a bit too firm. Yeah, it'll be good. Get some gearbox bolts on there. Bob's your uncle, she'll be in. That's a win. I just want to go and have some dinner and relax. So let's get this bloody thing in. 4 bolts holding the gearbox on, 2 bolts holding the starter. A little bit long that one, but that's alright. She gets the job done well. And my marvellous strap leveler. Actually bought myself a leveler. Rubbish. This works way better. Get it up close, drop the bastard down. Try not to hurt the fresh paint. I'll be sad if I do. Might chuck a towel over the radiator support just in case. Cause yeah, that will suck. But let's get this bastard in. Hope I got a gearbox mount. Yeah, should do. Pretty sure I got 10 of the buggers hidden away. bit of a goddamn fight. This wheel doesn't rotate and it gets stuck, so I have to keep smacking it with the hammer trying to get it on the right angle. Really need to replace it again. She's just a bit bung, but she's in. No casualties, a little scratching on the tower. But hey, that's a win. Now I just have to try and crawl under there, put a gearbox mount on, a bit of tape to remove under there too. That's alright, that's a future issue. Undo the strap, chuck a rocker cover on, chuck a couple of engine mount nuts on. Damn, that looks good in there. Rocker cover's done up properly, all the little fasteners tight. Nice little black ones. Little pulsar turbo hiding down there. Really wish I tried to rotate that wastegate. Might try to do it from the top here, just so I can work out the pipes. I'm going to work out this top, that way I can order that. Pretty much trying to work hard and fast on this. Anything I can order now I have. Ordered new radiator, new intercooler, already got some pipes. Just realised I've got to drill a hole for the intercooler pipe. I was really meant to do that before it got painted, but I didn't want to. We'll do it now. One thing I might have just made a mistake with, the brake booster. Freshly refinished. Hope I can get it in there. Think that should have gone in before the engine went in. I think I might have stuffed up, but only one way to find out. Happy bloody days, she fit. Damn, looks good with a bit of contrast on the red. Just been working through some scraps, trying to work out the exhaust flow. Wastegate's in an absolute shit bloody position. I think I'm gonna have to go up and do like a 180 to get out. It's just crap there. I am not happy about that, but we'll make it work because I'm not moving it. Even if it was up here, way easier. But we make do. We make do. We've been trying to sort some coil packs out. Really kind of want to make the loom tonight, but I need downtime. I need to rest, otherwise I am going to be screwed. So that's me done for this one. Check back in for tomorrow night's progress.